Hello everybody. I had a little gas tank problem with a scooter, and I actually removed the tank already, and then I thought, wait a minute, maybe this information could be useful for somebody. I didn't find that many gas tank videos on YouTube, so I apologize for that, but at least I'll show you how I put everything back. So obviously you start the work in the reverse order. So the gas tank on this Evo scooter, Tao Evo, is coming out from the back. You will have to remove the back light. You don't need to remove side panels, but they just have to be loosened up. So over here, this piece as a whole will have to come off. So this is a gas tank. This is where the sending unit goes in. So the issue was this rubber seal, which goes on top of here. This seal got warped with age. It's a 4 years old rubber seal. So every time I filled the tank to the max, my garage would have all those gasoline fumes in it. So the installation process is rubber seal first, then you enter the plunger inside here. Now this plunger, there is a little tab over here, so it only goes in one way, so you don't need to worry about, oh, I may be putting it wrong way. So there is a tab, it only goes one way in. And then you have to have this piece that will secure the whole contraption in here. I'll be cleaning it up because it's rusty. Now these things are sold on eBay. They are really cheap. You can probably get one under $10. Comes with the sending unit and the rubber seal. In my case, the seller notified me that they made a mistake. They are out of stock. So instead of waiting around, I wanted to fix the scooter this weekend. I went to Home Depot and I got from a plumbing section 1.5 inch rubber seals. They are almost identical, so I think this will work as well. So we'll find out. And I cleaned up everything, and now I'm tempted to put some little bit of gasket material on it. I don't know. I probably not supposed to be doing that, but something tells me to do it. Okay, real careful now. And okay, and that's that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple of taps with the screwdriver. Okay, that's all. And this wire goes in here, and then you bend it closed. So gas tank is ready. So even in this case, I wouldn't be able to put this gas tank in from this side. So gas tank, no matter what, you will have to push it in through the back. And probably a good idea to remove the good idea to remove this. Okay. Stay. Once you put it on, it should stay here. And right away, I'll secure the gas tank already with the first bolts. So one over here, one over here, one. One and two. So now we're gonna reconnect the sending unit up here, and then we take this piece and attach it here. Now, one bad moment that happened to me while disassembling this, these screws holes over here, these bolts, actually the bolts that goes in here, these two bolts, they go in here. Both bolts, I broke the caps on them, so the bolt piece is still inside on both sides. Let me see if I can find one of them. Yeah, this is one of them. So be very careful when you remove these, but I don't know what else you can do about it. So I'll just have to figure out how I'm gonna, I guess, drill them out or do something about it. Okay, so now we got both threads restored. So I'm gonna put back the gas tank. Maybe I don't need this.